Wow! What is up, guys? So it's a Jamaican friend here again with another reaction. So this is my first time doing a reaction to Alip, but one of the greatest guitarists out there, likewise a musician. So on this episode, we're gonna react to Alip Bata, Yank, Wali freestyle. So if you're new, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to be a part of the Jamaican membership on this platform. Peace. Alright, so this is not my first time reacting to Mr. Bata here. And alright, to be honest, music is a joyful thing when you have the instruments and everything that he's playing. But to hear a man, right, playing a guitar so smoothly, so clean, it gives you a great impression that music is really a beautiful thing. Right? He's the only person I've heard with such amazing skills. We do have people here in Jamaica who plays guitar single-handedly, but this man is another level. Right? His guitar skills is widely beautiful. I have to commend him on this. Right? Keep on giving us this good music. I mean, like, music is a joy, right? It literally elevates people. Give people what they should feel after they are going through a very downhill moment, right? Alip Bata is giving us that exactly what we needed, so he's a winner. Let's continue. I've heard Alip Bata play like No Woman, No Cry by Bob Marley, right? That is beautiful. That track that he have played was beautiful. And this track is even more mesmerizing, right? Because you can hear what he's playing clearly. I mean, like, there is no confusion. There is nothing at all that to get to off the focus, right? And while you're watching, you can literally focus on his movement, focus on his craft, focus on the hand movement. The way he's playing so skillfully, it's a joy to sit and watch him plays, right? He's a really exquisite man. Let's continue. Guys, the way he plucks those guitar strings, the way he just plucked and his four fingers just go off the guitar strings like that and then continue back on that pace, that is really a marvelous thing. I mean, like, I haven't seen that before. A lot of people out there would do reactions like these, or would do guitar playing like these, and I haven't done this before, right? Alip Bata is a very skilled man at his craft. His craftsmanship when it comes down to playing guitar is quite a remarkable thing, right? If we should grade Alip Bata out of 10 when it comes down to playing guitar, the instrument is on point, we'll give him a solid 10. Excellent, right? A passing grade with an excellence on it, right? Let's continue. He's a musical genius. A genius who knows how to make guitar seem so simple, right? As simple as it is, it's difficult for us who is not a guitarist. Trust me, right? The tune, oh man, the tune is as if you are just sitting somewhere peaceful, for instance, a field, right? A field of beautiful grass. The nature is beautiful. The trees are giving a beautiful, cool feeling. That's how the music sounded when Alip plays his guitar. Quite beautiful. A thing that we've never heard, right? And this man is literally giving us that, right? He's surely a great person, right? Let's continue. Wow, whoa, 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 whoa. Let's just give this man his drink. If I was in that man's position, right, and I've seen him play that guitar, me like, I would just buy my flask and say, hey, beautiful music, right? If any event should be keeping in Jamaica here, right, he would definitely be on that event for the musician, right? Or if I should be keeping a wedding, right, and I need a guitarist, I would surely book this man for the guitar playing, because he would make the wedding so calm, he'd make the wedding so beautifully played, right? I would have a happy marriage, to be honest, if this man would be playing in a wedding, if I should be keeping one, right? Let's continue. Good music never dies, right? Every music that is being released from a producer or a musician, once the music has substance, then eventually the substance that is within that music will always be substantial to people who is coming up, right? And this man music is very substantial, right? This was done like 5 years ago. That was 2018. This music sounded as if it's in now, like right now this music has been released. It just sounds so brand new. It sounded so new, right? It gives you that new feeling, right? A feeling that is gravitational, right? Whoa, beautiful song, beautiful song, beautiful guitar playing. Let's continue. Wow, wow, wow. This was so beautiful, Mr. But I really do enjoy that guitar playing. It is quite a remarkable thing. So if you guys do like guitar playing in my Jamaican diaspora here, you can always check out Alip here. He's a very good guitarist. So if you guys do wish us for this reaction, thank you for watching. If you guys do like my reaction, leave a like on the video. And if you guys do like my content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Share it to a friend, telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. So in that case, I'll see you next time around. Peace.